Here we've got the Distortion Bender. Based on the fuzz face and tone bender circuits, this unit provides a treble mid boost, offers distortion as well as tone filtering. It features a volume knob, a filter knob, and a distortion knob. Unity gain is at 130. The filter knob is a light low-pass filter that is great for cutting just a little bit of the highs, smoothing out the signal. The distortion knob controls the gain of the circuit. Rotating the dial counterclockwise decreases the distortion, but allows you to obtain a gritty, clean tone. Another feature is that if you dial back the guitar volume knob back to 8 or 9, you can achieve a clean tone that is substantially present. And that is the Distortion Bender.